Hey guys, it's B-Dawg, and I am doing a try not to laugh that I haven't been done for 2 years now. It's been 2 darn years since the last try not to laugh, the Animal Crossing part. So, here we go again because I am about to get everything onto this one. So, let's get right on to the video because I am busy tonight, tomorrow, and till Monday. So, we gotta do try not to laugh to so funny, try not to laugh, Dogfield videos 2022 number 3, daily dose of laughter. So, alright, I'm ready. I hope you guys do enjoy this one. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, this is for the beginning. Oh no, getting dog food all over the floor. Really? What the?
But yeah, I said there was not one bag of potatoes.
What the
and there
hell?
wasn't even loose potatoes. The potatoes were gone.
He's trying. Ooh, ouch.
Come here. No, I'm gonna come get you.
And 3, 2, 1, and there it is. Nice.
Who did that? Who did it? Yeah, you. What'd you do?
So adorable, actually. Oh, I see your point. Ah, the duck, the duck, the duck. Ready then.
Where do you have it?
And she fall down.
One container, right there.
Okay.
Stays better that way. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it on.
Did he? Oh my god.
Who did this? Who did this?
Enough. Then we'll let it cook a little bit, then I'll flip it over and just let it start
Going
down.
doggy
Then you
jail?
put it
Yep.
on both sides or just one side?
Go on. Oh.
I've never done it like this.
Poor birth bath.
They said you made them that one night, so I...
And the cream into it. Yep.
I see it on Facebook, that's where I see
Yep.
it. Yep.
I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Try not to laugh. I'm trying not to laugh. Holy crap, he killed that box. Holy mother of... Oh my god. Don't laugh.
The big one in my bedroom and the other one in Brett's bedroom. Right.
Because he ate the dirt.
One that they have the
You do it?
sides, I got rid of that one.
You do it.
So I'm gonna just buy a smaller one.
Don't blame your
She did
buddy.
She done it?
Don't blame
One
yourself.
about the same size as Brett's.
Why?
Yeah. Well, I have my bedroom right now, I can put her Brett's bedroom. The reason why I'm making 2 different meats, that way there's extra and then later on if you get munchy, make it all in one time. I said we didn't eat much because we thought we were going down there for, yeah. I was gonna have a milkshake and I was gonna have those nachos and then have whatever a meal that I picked.
Is that dog trying to get...
They said, I don't know if telling the kids are stopping in tonight or what. She's like, I don't know, I have to talk to Mom.
Ooh.
Another year. Jazzy, well, I guess that was a perfect
Mine too at home.
But I guess I could get
They
another year.
disappeared. Yeah. Now Abby, the one party Abby had a knife, and my pepper chef knife in the living room, it disappeared. I think they throw them away. I think they throw their paper plates away and forget to put the silverware. No, we have been using paper plates. I have them. I use them both. I use regular and them. But things like my spoons are missing. Yes, I'm making an extra little burger for you
kill the
guys
couch.
too. Freaking spoiled asses.
Is that you?
Yeah, I'm outside. Look for the cats. I don't know where they went. We looked up underneath everything. I don't know where they. Oh, you know he's the one that Brett always eats with? He told me the other day. Mom, it wasn't him. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I smack you up tomorrow? Yeah.
Okay.
The mail always has holes in it.
What the heck? How I seen that coming?
They all look like spoons and knives.
Oh my god. Quincy around.
Patty, come on here.
Is that what that is? Butter. What? I don't know. Oh, is it? I have the one that is up and back. You know what? Next time we go to some Mom, did you flip these yet?
He needs to use a shovel, dude. Little dog.
They smell pretty good.
Well, that's not nice.
Now, do you put these potatoes on anything, on a plate or anything?
And bam. Called it.
Hey, put them on a plate.
Gunner, get the ball, Gunner.
Wrap them, wrap them in stuff too.
There you go. Run
I'll just put them
faster.
like this in there. Yeah.
Faster, Gunner, faster.
Rub
Gotta
them,
get the
wrap
ball.
them, and they stick to them. And... Yeah.
Slow motion. Of course.
Last plate? Yeah.
This had to be a slow motion. What the heck is going on?
Lila, did you do this?
Yeah?
Lila,
No.
did you bring the garden?
No, I did not.
A mostly full box of cheesy fish.
Now, how do you fry your hamburgers? Do you fry them just plain oil or a little bit of water?
Okay.
I just fry it.
Have you been in the kitchen?
I don't add water or oil.
Oh, you don't add anything?
I fry them in their own.
Will it start?
Okay. Ow. That hurts him.
What did you do, Tank?
I made little ones.
Oh, shoot. I didn't know. I didn't see that.
If not, you'll have extra for
Darlene's making baked potatoes. Listen to me.
What? I'm
Making
busy
baked
here.
potatoes, and it's because you don't like baked potatoes, we're making stuffing.
Alright.
What are you busy doing? Talking or doing some other thing.
Oh, no.
You gonna swim with Daddy?
Hey, happy. And the water is all off the pool. The water all off the pool. Way to go.
I just load my car up and take that out.
Way to go.
I mean, I just put that stamp on the front.
And
Now that truck.
and she took it already.
She put it
Okay,
on
then.
her feet, her boyfriend, her
Salt and pepper.
took that that
Oh, no. There's a duck right there, right next to him.
She took it. And then I had to
Oh, look at that. That's how cute.
Take that up. I told her, she said, you put leave that here too. I said, yeah. She said, I'll take it. So the only thing was really there is that one.
Alrighty then. And he just gotta get running.
The only thing that's really left up there was, I had that walker.
What the heck is up with that dog?
I have a walker and a hamster.
And there's a dog with a candy cane on its mouth. Is that a fake candy cane?
Yeah, this was in the garage.
He's trying to get out.
And there was like
He's trying to get out.
bars that I was using.
Uh-oh, Smiley, pick it up.
So if I first put it in, it would go all the way on. So the guy said to me, I said, I
Oh
have
my god. Why did he, why?
Smiley, pick up my cup. Pick it up, Neil. Bring it here.
Why? They trying to get the hat to, they trying. They trying to get the hat to her. Alrighty then, that makes totally sense of it. So that means I'm out. And I don't know if I pass or something, but I guess we will see about that. So that's it for this one, and yep.
I didn't eat much today.
That's the goodest one. So check out Daily Dose of Laughter in the description and check the original video. So that's it for this Try Not to Laugh challenge. It's B-Dawg, and follow me on my social medias on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Find me on Nintendo Switch, Wii U, and Snapchat. Go on Animal Crossing New Horizons. Go on my dream mattress is down below in the description. And Animal Crossing DLC is out 6 months ago, and Mario Kart DLC is out a month ago, and Nintendo Switch Sports is out 2 weeks ago. So I guess that's it. Check out my Discord server, and that's it. And we outie. So we're outie, and I'm outie. And I'll see you guys as I'm out. And thanks for watching the Try Not to Laugh video. So peace out.